Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 10th of January 2021. This is class 11 and I will teach you commerce. Okay, so I am going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, then please give the answers in complete sentences. Okay, so tell me, um, what is business?
Buying and selling of goods and services for profit is known as business.
Good. What is profit?
Profit occur when revenue exceed expenditure.
Okay, good. What profit shows about business?
Profit shows success of a business.
Very good. Why a business should be successful?
A business should be successful for its continuity and growth.
Very good. Okay, so name the process which helps business to be successful. So students, today we shall study about management. Okay, so tell me, is management necessary for a business?
Yes, management is necessary for every business.
Very good. What do you understand by management?
Managing all the activities in business.
Very good. Okay, so here is the meaning of management. Okay, so according to old concept, management is what a manager does. Okay, so there are two concepts about the management. First one is old concept, which says that management is what a manager does. Means all the activities which a manager does are included under management. Okay, so according to new concept, management is defined as process of utilization of human and physical resources. Okay, so, but according to new concept, management is defined as a process of utilization of human and physical resources. Means in which in this human resources and physical resources. So human resources, example labor, okay, and physical resources. Example of physical resources are machinery, equipments. Okay, so utilization of human and physical resources. This comes under management. Okay, in such a manner that organizational objective can be achieved. Okay, so we have to utilize human resources and physical resources in such a manner that the objectives of the organization, means whatever objective, whatever target an organization has set, okay, that can be achieved through utilization of these resources, human resources and physical resources. Okay, so thus we can say management has two concepts. So management has two concepts. First one is old concept, second one is new concept. And okay, and management is coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Okay, so management is a coordination. Why coordination? Because in this there are so many factors in management and they all has to coordinate. Means these all factors has to coordinate with each other. And administration is there, that there has to be some administration in the management. Without being supervised, without being instructed, activities cannot be done in management. Okay, and why these coordination and administration are required? To achieve a goal. Means object, there must be an objective or target of the management and of business, and that has to be achieved through management. Okay, so tell me, how many concept management has?
Management had two concepts, old or new.
Good. Okay, so what are the importance of management?
For the growth of business,
Yes, management is required for the growth of business. Okay, so here are the importance of management. First one is achievement of group goals. Okay, so in business there are group of people. Means there is not only one people in the management or one people in the business. So there are so many people. So what management does, it is achievement for group goal. It is very much required to achieve the group goals because there are group of people in business. Second is increase in efficiency. Okay, so management, there are so many functions of management: planning, organizing, directing, supervising. Okay, so it increases the efficiency. Means it will increase the efficiency. It will increase the profit of the business, and it will increase the profit how? By utilization of human and physical resources. Okay. Third is survival and growth of organization. Okay. Management is required and it is mandatory for survival and growth of organization. Means one business can start without management or without any management or manager, but for survival means that the organization has to work for long period of time, and growth means that development of their organization management is required. Without management, not only any organization, any business cannot survive, and growth of that organization is not possible without management. Okay. Fourth thing is controlling. Okay, so we know that for any activity, for anything, we need a control over things. Okay, without control things will go out of hands. Okay, and management provides this controlling of business, because there are so many people in business, and there are so many activities are to be done in a management, in a business. So controlling is very much required to attain the standard work. Means that there are so many standards of doing a thing, means ideal performance. So for performing the ideal or achieve the objective, controlling is required. Okay, so tell me, yeah, some importance of management.
Achievement of group goals, controlling, survival and growth of organization.
Good. What do you mean by achievement of group goal?
Hmm?
What do you mean by achievement of group goals?
Achievement of group goal is when a group is achieving its objective or business objective.
Good. Okay. So achievement of first is management is a group activity. Okay. So why management is a group activity? Management is required when group activity are performed. Okay. When there are so many peoples, so they make group, and these they group perform a single activity, or they perform to attain some objectives. Okay. And group can attain its objective with proper coordination. When there are so many people, then a coordination is required to perform activities without having hodgepodge or without making some chaos. Okay, so management is very much required to perform activities or to object or to attain its objective. So management is very much required. Okay, second is management increase efficiency. Management ensure proper utilization of man, material, and machine, which increase efficiency. Okay, so means that utilization of man, material, and machinery means that labor is there in your organization, material equipments are there, and then machines are there in your organization, in business. Okay, so management ensures proper utilization of these. So that's why it will increase the efficiency of any organization. Okay, so tell me. How management increases efficiency?
Management increases efficiency by utilizing of resources.
Very good. By utilization of resources. Okay, so what are other importance of management? Can you tell me?
Management helps in achieving target or objective of a business.
Very good. Okay, so here is management is necessary for survival and growth. Okay, so for survival and growth of any organization, management is very much required. It is necessary for any organization for survival and growth. Okay, so because management has so many functions, planning, organizing, directing, supervising. So there are so many activities of management. So it makes any organization to survive. Okay, and growth when when the management is done properly, then the objective will be attained, and if objective of the organization will be attained, then definitely it will result in the growth of organization. Fourth importance of management is controlling. Okay, so in management, actual performance is compared with standard performance. Okay, so in how controlling is done means, then if any performance are done in organization, then it will be compared to the standard performance. Okay, and if these two are same, then definitely there is good a performance is done. Okay, but if there is a deviation, then this deviation has to be decreased. Okay, so management will work to decrease this deviation of actual performance and standard performance. Okay. So tell me, what is management?
Management is what manager does.
Good. What is management according to new concept?
Management is utilization of human and physical resources.
Very good. When management is required?
Management is required in group activity, and everywhere.
Okay, very good. How management is helpful in survival?
Management fills the gap of standard actual performance.
Good. How management is helpful in survival and growth of organization?
For achievement of group goals,
Very good.
management is helpful in survival for the achievement of group goals.
Okay, very good. So here are some sentences. Say true if they are correct, say false if they are incorrect. Okay. So management is required only in business?
False. Management is required everywhere. False.
Good. Management is a new concept only?
No. Sorry. False.
Good. Management helps in achieving objective of organization?
True.
Good. Management has four major importance?
True.
True. Management does not help business to survive in changing environment?
False.
Good. Okay. So here is your homework. First question is write meaning of management in your own words. Okay. And question number second is write all the importance of management. Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.